How to activate Al Hilal Debit card. Let's get started. Activation via SMS. You can activate your Al Hilal Bank debit card by sending an SMS from your registered mobile number. First up, type in the first 6 digits of your card, then type in the last 4 digits of your card, then type in the expiration date. After you type in that, send to 2494. After sending SMS, you will receive a confirmation message indicating that your card has been activated. Next, activate via a mobile banking app. Download and install the Al Hilal Bank app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Log into your account using credentials. Navigate to the card section. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the activation and set a PIN. If you encounter any issues during the activation process, it's advisable to contact Al Hilal Bank's customer support for the assistance. So that's a wrap for this video. This way you can easily activate Al Hilal debit card. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.